Hello everybody. Our today's topic is trademarking a brand name in India. In this lecture, we are going to cover trademark registration procedure. First of all, we will look at the online trademark registration procedure in a nutshell. The first thing is that you will have to search for a brand name. Then you will need to prepare a trademark application. Then you will have to file the application for the brand name registration. After this, the examining process of the brand name application will begin. The next step will be publication of your brand in the Indian Trademark Journal. Once you complete all these steps, you will get a trademark registration certificate. Now the first step is to find a unique name. This is simply a short and best way for any newcomer to get a catchy, trendy, and an interesting brand name. And the best way to do this is use internet. Picking up a brand name that is wacky and quirky is definitely a wise move since most of the generic names would already be in someone's hands. Moreover, the only concern here is that you don't pick up any name which is already taken. The best part here is that you can invent or coin some words with a mix of generic words to create a unique brand name for yourself. Step 2 is to prepare a trademark application. There are certain documents that you have to submit along with the application in order to get your trademark registered. The first one is business registration proof. On the basis of your registered business, for example, sole proprietorship and so on, an identity proof of the company's directors and an address proof have to be submitted. For an example, in case of a sole proprietorship, there are certain things which are required. The first thing is ID proof of proprietor, that is PAN card, Aadhaar card, which could be submitted. In case of companies, the address proof of the company needs to be submitted. The next document that is required here is a soft copy of the trademark. The next document required here is that you should have a proof of claim which says that the proposed mark can be used in another country. The next and the last document required here is a power of attorney which is to be signed by the applicant. The next step is to file the application of brand name registration. There are two ways to file the registration application. The first way is manual filing, the second way is e-filing. If you choose manual filing, then you have to personally move and hand over your application for the registration to the Registrar Office of Trademarks, situated in the major cities of India like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, and Chennai. After that, you have to wait for at least 15 to 20 days to receive the receipt of the acknowledgement. But in the case of e-filing, you will receive your receipt of acknowledgement instantly on the government website. Once after receiving your acknowledgement, you are eligible to use your trademark symbol beside your brand name. Moreover, in case of rejection due to non-approval of the name, the applicant will get a second chance of refiling the same without any further charges. It means you get two chances of filing the same form without any extra charge of paying rupees 1000 both the times. In case of failure to get the name approved in the second chance, you can file the form again from scratch. This will any day prove to be cheaper than opting for the first option. The whole process, including name approval and incorporation, takes around 2 to 3 days. Step 4. Examining the process of the brand name application. Once the application is dispatched, the registrar will check out whether you have followed certain terms that your brand name complies with the existing law. Moreover, there should not be any conflict or dispute amongst any existing or pending brands for the registration. That's why in the first step, you were suggested to get a quirky name. Step 5. Publication of your brand in the Indian trademark journals. After the process of examination, the registrar will publish your brand name in the Indian Trademark Journal. This is certainly the most important part of the trademark registration, and there should not be any opposition within 3 months. That is 90 days or 120 days in some cases from the date of publication. Step 6. The Trademark Registration Certificate Issuance. The registrar will accept your trademark application if there is no opposition being raised within the stipulated period of 90 days or 120 days. The registrar issues the registration certificate with the trademark registry seal. Right from the moment you have been issued with your certificate, you can use the registered trademark symbol beside your brand name.